A neat little structure. We got the Y coming through it. See how they bent that one back and tucked it into it? Seat spot under it. See how they triangled it out? But the Y that comes up into that, this Y, it kicks down into a drastic amount of sticks in one spot. So it kicks out and then it comes down into that. See how they brought that one in, all these into that exact point here. I've been in these ones area quite a few times. I haven't seen all these structures. There's so much that goes on here. TP type one. Seat spot right in there. Or a footprint maybe. Yes, I got that. That little bend I just showed, but here's the next bend. Probably done by the same creator. Let's keep following this. The next structure, this is crazy cool. And then the next bigger structure right here, triangle. One of them I got on video. They were behind a, this is drastically packed down here. They were sitting behind a triangle and you can see their hand picking the bark and then cupping to the side and then picking the bark off it. And it's so flattened right here. Look at that structure. They hung a Y stick. Their little X teepee thing. I always hear the owls and the owl sounds. So if they know, I know. This is a beautiful trident. Look at this one. Seat spot. It's a bowled out round pack down spot. And this is what's in front of it. There's another seat spot. Right behind it is like a teepee type structure. Another seat spot. These are still being used. And I find that to be the case until the snow flies. That's pretty cool. Wow. This gets drastic in here. That's a big round seat spot here. Holy moly. Look at the structure. Oh boy. Oh, there it is. Wow. Beautiful, guys. You know, one reason that these beings are probably like the government and agencies do everything possible to make even the scientific peer-reviewed things, even if And it's all been done. It's been peer reviewed and all the evidence is in, but it's been hindered, right? And a system like ours, with all these corporations and entities and corpse means what? Dead? A dead entity, right? A corpse, a dead entity. Corporation. It's a like, how would you put that? A nation of corpses, right? That system we come from, which includes all like the police, the schools, all these corporations, and they're all corporations. They all, if you ever look at these corporations, they have codes and policies, which is hindering us. They're not even supposed to regulate us with these codes and policies. That's only supposed to be for these corporations and people that are working for these corporations, and not even that, the people that are driving and doing trafficking, which is, for money, like I think you guys know what I'm saying. I think most people know that we've been infiltrated and brought into a highly controlled evil beast system, right? But I believe these beings are not. It's a race of beings that are still free, right? Not trapped. And I don't think they want us to have any knowledge of what these beings do and what they're able to connect to. Because there's a lot of truth in it, right? And the truth will set you free. That's that. And if we're set free, we're not bound by these corporations, and we're not bound by the fears that these people that are driven through these corporations put upon us. The more fear they put upon us, the more we're willing to give up rights and forget we ever had them. I'm getting a lot of noises, guys and gals. Look at this little structure. Into a trident, into a leaned one. This is an amazing spot. Another big seat spot right here. And when I got into these bigger seat spots is when the owl sound started happening. Why? Beautiful, guys. Amazing. Anyways, look at that structure. Drasticness. This one's amazing. Look at this one, guys. Big seat spot. These are the big ones, right? Look at the structure that comes with these big guys. Look at that. Look at this to the right. Wow. Absolutely beautiful. Another seat spot. They're still here. This is recently being used, guys. anyways, it's getting dark and I'm gonna make my way out of here. I think the road's right up here. I think I've seen this tree from the road. It's a trident tree. Matter of fact, I got a picture of that tree from the highway, from the trail up here. And right up in the trident part of it, it's like you can see like them and their magic. It's like you can see them, their faces, and anyways, thank you guys for watching. Bye.